for garnishment. Now, if you enjoy your pig's feet, leave a comment below and tell me. Hi guys, how's everybody doing today? Good, because your girl is back in the kitchen. You guys, are you truly doing good? Terrific. So guys, today what we have is we're gonna do some pig's feet, you guys. Yes, I'm bringing some pig's feet to the channel. And we're just not gonna like boil them. We're gonna fry some pig's feet, you guys. Some people are familiar with them being fried and some it's not. So yes, what we have is some cut up pig's feet. And what I am doing is washing them, checking them. You know, because you want to make sure they're clean. And make sure all hair and everything, all of that is off of it, you know. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today, you guys. These are also known as trouters or trouters, okay? You know, they're very delicious when you fry them. They really are. So, yeah, your girl is going to go ahead and we're going to wash these on up and we're going to carry you to the next step, you guys. I'm going to carry you to the next step. Okay, guys, so we have some boiled. Well, it haven't boiled yet. And it's okay. I hate when my eyes do that. But yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to submerge. We have half a pot of water basically. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to submerge each one of these over in this pot of water. Now we're going to bring this to a boil because we want these to get tender, you guys. We want them to get tender. So we can have a good pot of fried pig's feet. You know, that's the way, you know, I was raised to see it, you know. But, you know, different strokes for different folks. I'm only showing you how I was taught. And normally a lot of people use the white vinegar, but I'm using apple cider. Why? Because I forgot to get the other vinegar, you guys. I'm not a big eater on the other vinegar, the white one, but we're going to use a little apple cider vinegar for this. I'm sure it's not going to hurt anything. It's going to do the same thing, you guys. We're just going to go ahead and we're going to let that boil. Gonna let that boil, and the first thing we're gonna do is put the apple cider vinegar in there, you guys. So I'm just gonna put like a capful, cause you don't need a lot. That capful will go a long ways. And we're gonna add us some special blend seasoning that I created. Cause you can add whatever seasoning to your liking. That ain't coming out fast enough for me, you guys. Because I got to give these some taste. Okay? My nails ain't going to let me take it off. Okay, there we go. We're just going to shake just like so. And there go our seasoning. Now, in the blend, I did not have any garlic, so I'm just gonna put some garlic powder. Although when I get ready to fry it, it will definitely have some more seasoning. And we're gonna put a little paprika just for the coloring, because I don't have soy sauce. But it really doesn't matter, because soy sauce do two things. And we're going to take these up a notch because we're going to put a little Cajun seasoning on these. Right. Because they just mine. I mean, I'm the only one going to eat them. You know, where other than my son-in-law, he might come on over. And we're going to put some meat tenderizer. Because you said, now why are you going to put meat tenderizer? Because we want these to be tender. Yes. And we want them to boil quick. I don't play around with this. So now we also, but last but not least, is we're going to put us some basil. Some bay leaf in there. Put a bay leaf in there. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. Just gonna wake up the flavor. Oh. We're just gonna drop 2 bay leaves. Just 2. That's it. We don't need a whole lot. No, we do not. And we're going to bring that to a boil. And we'll see you when it's ready. Okay, guys. So we're back. And our pig's feet is boiled and good and tender. You guys look at them. So yeah, now my next move is I have my strainer here. And you can also lay them on paper towel. We're going to get that basil leaf out of there. And we're just going to go on and let them drain just like that. Because we don't want all that juice on there. I like to also barbecue them. And yeah, so we're going to let these cool off. Okay, guys. So we have let these drain and dry up a little bit. Because I don't have any like paper towel around me. And you can pet them. It all depends. But your girl kind of like wanted to go the other route around. So what we're going to do now is we have us a little pan with just a little oil. You know, just enough oil to fry these on up and give it that crisp, you know. So what we're going to start off with is we're going to basically season this oil up, right? So we're going to add us some garlic up in there. Just like so. Oh, we're going to get that oil a flavor, right? We're going to go on here and do that right quick. And we're going to go and we're going to submerge these right on in here. We're going to turn our eye up just a little because we want that crisp. We want to get this skin right here and get those flavors right on in there. That's what we're crisping. The skin right there. I can hear some of y'all say, yes, baby. This is good eats. Good eats. We're just going to go on and put that on in there. We can fit one more. Now, what we're going to do with this batch is we're going to sprinkle us a little more seasoning. And it's okay, we can go a little light with the seasoning. I don't know about you guys, but I enjoy mine with the little barbecue sauce for the dipping sauce. Yeah, because hey, it takes it to a whole new level, you guys. Whole new level. And what we have here is some jalapeno, some I said chopped jalapeno, not checked, okay? And yeah, we're gonna add us just a little. Not fancy. Oh, it almost got me, you guys. But that's why you want to make sure that they're dry. Because once that get to cooking, baby, let's get the popping. I'm trying to get that off there like that. Get it right on in here. And that's what happened. I added a little juice in there. Because I should have added it from the beginning, but I didn't. And it's okay. Because we're going to let that go on and fry and do a thing, you guys. And we'll be back. Now, our next step is I'm using open pit barbecue sauce. Because like I said, that's how I enjoy them. Some people just eat this like this, but not me. I like to put a little sauce on it, just to give it a little twist for you guys. I enjoy giving food a little twist, and this may not be new to some people. And I'm just stirring it around like so. Get that sauce all over all of this. For this goodness, you guys. Yes. Get it all over the goodness, you guys. You can see the peppers and the season came on it right. Just the way I prefer it. And yeah, I'm just going to let that sit like that for a quick second. And we're going to go on and put this on up. So guys, we have them already ready. And so yeah, we're just gonna go on and put them right on in this plate. Yes, look at that. Delicious fried barbecue pig's feet basically. And it was so easy to do, as you guys see. It was definitely easy to do. These make great nibblers, you know. Something to nibble on. But I know me, I'm gonna call my son-in-law and tell him, guess what Mama has cooked? Oh, look at there, you guys. So delicious looking. Let me get this away from you guys. The skillet. Basically no oil in there. Well, let's get the little flavors out of there. You guys, now there you go. There you have it. And we're going to put some parsley on here. Why? Because your girl like parsley. And we're going to put us just a couple of onions for garnishment. Now, if you enjoy your pig's feet, leave a comment below and tell me, how do you like this pig's feet recipe. Don't forget, like, comment, and share this video with any and everyone. If this video doesn't show you or you has no interest in it, please check out other videos in the link below. I hope I have something to your liking, enough for you to like, comment, and share. And yeah, tell everybody what your girl is doing on her channel. So who already have a pig's feet? Have a Truder, or is it Trotter? But anyway, go tell a friend what Miss T has made. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to like, comment, and share. Let Miss T get her a piece out. Baby. Tasty. Sticky. Yes, these are some sticky barbecue pig's feet. But anywho, sorry y'all. Lick my fingers. Share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Sending much love. And I will see you guys on the next video. And don't forget, go over to Affirmative Cosmetic. And yes, check out the line of lipstick, eyeshadow, lip gloss, moisturizers. And yeah, go and get you some if you enjoy. Because you know the holidays is right around the corner. Get in line for your orders. Thank you. Goodbye.